Hi everyone, a warm welcome to everyone. So, as we all know, we have gathered here to enjoy the show put up by our children and young adults on Spectrum from Navi Mumbai. This program is organized by Forum for Autism and Sunshine School Vashi in association with Navi Mumbai Pediatric Association. I request Priyanka to play the video on FFA, please.
Forum for Autism is a parent support group to support families of children with autism. It was set up in the year 2002 under the Indian Trust Act 1950. Forum for Autism mainly aims at creating awareness about autism, empowering parents to advocate for rights of persons with autism. Forum for Autism is a parent body which runs two libraries in Kolaba and in Vashi with around 500 books. It also conducts parent training workshops, seminars, and talks. It has a database of parents and professionals and provides sponsorship to unaffording families. Forum for Autism participates in various activities. To name a few are Mumbai Marathon, conducted workshops for parents with young adults, celebration of World Disability Day at Malad Basti, and self-help skill workshop. Since the lockdown, Forum for Autism is continuing its work online. It has been conducting webinars on various topics like preparing to choose the boards, homeschooling, storytelling sessions, setting up residential setup, to name a few. All the parents who are interested can check those webinars on YouTube. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and commentator Harsha Bhogle are the cause ambassadors for Forum for Autism. Throughout the lockdown, FFA, that is Forum for Autism, along with ASK, that is Adult Support Kendra, is offering online individual counseling, family counseling, parent support, apart from various other services. To know more about these services, please contact Nicole Kapadia and Suhasini Sundareshan on the numbers mentioned. Our journey. Be an active part of Forum for Autism. To know more, please call on the phone numbers on your screens. Thank you for your overwhelming response to our webinars. Forum for Autism requests you to donate generously so it helps in our future endeavors. All the donations are eligible for the tax exemption. Please follow us on social media for updates on workshops organized by Forum for Autism. Please follow our Facebook page, Forum for Autism. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.forumforautism.org.
Thank you so much for the video. The founder of Sunshine School, Mrs. Paramita Mazumdar, is with us. I request Paramita ma'am to say a few words. Paramita ma'am.
Thank you, Priya. Sorry, the mic was mute. Good evening to all and greetings to the occasion of World Autism Awareness and Acceptance Month. I extend a very warm welcome to all our performers, their families, and of course to all of you watching from all over the world. On behalf of Forum for Autism and Sunshine School, I am very excited about today's program. The pandemic has taught us how resilient our children are. Some of the performers today are performing for the first time. Their parents are also learning to overcome tech nuances and bring to you a wonderful evening. I was talking about Dr. Leena. We are grateful to be associated with Navi Mumbai Association of Pediatrics for this evening's program. Dr. Leena Deshpande has been instrumental in bringing about this connect. Dr. Leena has been a great support to families in Navi Mumbai and a dear friend to many of us at FFA. Before I invite Dr. Leena to say a few words, here is a small introduction about her. Though Navi Mumbai parents doesn't need a separate introduction for her, but still I am giving a small introduction on her. Dr. Leena Deshpande moved to the UK to pursue MRCP after successfully completing her MD here at KM and Warrior Hospitals. She worked in the field of neurodevelopmental disorders in children in the UK for 10 years, but chose to get back to India. We are glad that she chose to settle down in Navi Mumbai. She is a consultant at MGM and Apollo Hospitals and has her own practice, ICAN, Child Developmental Center at Kharghar. Welcome, Dr. Leena, and thank you for your cooperation in this program today.
Thank you, Paramita. It's a pleasure to be here. Good evening, everyone. Now, we all parents, doctors, therapists, we all take up the cause of our children every single day, every single minute. We don't need a special day for this. But this is the month all of us all over the world come together to discuss, to collaborate, and more importantly, to celebrate our children, to celebrate their uniqueness. We know that they are different. We know that they have difficulties. But as long as they're happy and they're coping with their difficulties, we are happy and satisfied. So there are going to be ups and downs on the way, and we carry on to our best of our ability. So best wishes for the Autism Awareness Program, which should all lead to autism acceptance and appreciation. It's been a particularly difficult year for all of us, everyone, there's no doubt about it, and more so for our children and hence subsequently for the family. But after the initial change in routine, most have settled down to the new normal. Some have coped okay, maintaining a status quo, while some have honed on their interests and acquired new ones. It's been all in all a stressful time. And I'm sure most of you have got a look at the video we had made through the NMAP of relaxing techniques which have been shown by a trained yoga sir for parents. And do not forget to take part in the challenge because by the end of April, I want that we all should be mentally and physically fitter than what we are today. Now, when we meet in clinic settings, we have so much discussion about all the issues, the problems our children are facing with various different things. So it gives me, in fact, great pleasure to be a part of today's program because I can just sit back and relax and enjoy the treat that our children and the young adults have to offer. So today's performance by or for our children, it may or may not be perfect, but the enthusiasm, I'm sure, is going to be very, very, on the spot. So thank you, Forum for Autism, for inviting me here today. And I have been associated with Navi Mumbai, and I'm obviously a very active member of NMAP, the Navi Mumbai Association of Pediatrics, when it comes to spreading awareness about autism. I remember it was, 2013, and it was our first event together where with the help of MGM Hospital, the Forum and the NMAP, we had organized this huge autism walkathon and a rally in the streets of Vashi where more than 1,000 people had joined. And since then, NMAP has always been a part of workshops and poster distributions and all the other activities which I had organized on World Autism Awareness Day to increase awareness in Navi Mumbai. I'm joined today by two very prominent members of NMAP. So let me introduce Dr. Jitendra Gawane. He is a professor of pediatrics in MGM Institute of Health Sciences in Kamote. And he is also our very dynamic president of Navi Mumbai Association of Pediatrics. And since becoming a president a year back, despite the lockdown, and apart from all the hectic medical work he has been involved in, he's been involved in a lot of social and humanitarian work in the pandemic. And he readily agreed to be the part of today's program. So thank you, Dr. Gawane. We also have Dr. Satish Shahane, who's the secretary of the Navi Mumbai Association of Pediatrics and is very, very closely involved with Dr. Gawane in various activities. He works as a pediatric consultant at Sanvi Children's Hospital in Kharghar. So Dr. Gawani and Dr. Shahane, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Lina, ma'am. It is our indeed pleasure to be associated with Sunshine School and Forum for Autism. And as we are celebrating World Autism Month, and not just day, what a wonderful plan to celebrate with our children's performances today evening. So I am very excited about that, and everyone who has participated is an actual winner for today's program. So from Navi Mumbai IIP, we are going to give some small gifts and certificates for all the participants who have participated today, and everyone will be winner. Thank you, Priya madam, Babita madam, Parimita madam, and Lina madam, of course. And we will be happy to continue our association with your schools and the forum in the future as well. Thank you.
Well said, Jitu sir. And we are always there for any help needed by Dr. Lina and anybody else also with this in this group. And all the best for all participants. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was very nice of you to announce the certificates and gifts too. We are really honored and humbled for this. Okay, good evening again. I'm really humbled and honored to be here for this program. I'm so glad that we found our way to do this event online. So a big salute to all our children who have adapted to this new normal thing so beautifully. As we all know, we are gathered here to support autism awareness. Along with awareness, as Lina ma'am also said, acceptance and inclusion should be our agenda. We are doing this through a cultural show that showcases our children's talent. Now, everyone performing in this show, including the hosts, have autism. Now, I didn't say they're suffering autism because no one is suffering autism. Few are celebrating their differences, few won over them and have achieved a lot in spite of their difficulties. Few act as self-advocates and are finding their places in the society. I was really amazed by them, and I'm sure by end of the show, you all will be amazed too. So without further delay, let me introduce the first host of our show, Y. Rahul. Rahul is a fun-loving 22-year-old. He's an arts graduate and is currently doing his internship in Thomson and Reuters. He likes to travel and he's fond of Hindi songs. He likes reading mythological books, and Chandragupta Maurya is his current read. That is so interesting. Rahul, would you like to add more about yourself? Rahul, please unmute yourself.
Sure, ma'am. Good evening to all of you. Today, I'm going to explain briefly about my journey so far. I was very hyperactive in my childhood. I used to take therapies for calming down and tactile issues, and that really helped. When I was 2.5 years old, I joined the Jack and Jill Play School, and there the teachers were very affectionate. At the age of Later, I joined the well-known Father Ignal School, where I spent 15 years of my life, which I can never forget. The school was very close to my heart due to the tremendous support given by my teachers, special educators, and principals. I still remember Snigdha Miss coming to my center in my 10th standard board exam and giving me a dairy milk chocolate to encourage me and increase my confidence during my history exam. After HSC, I took admission in ICL College, and there too the faculty was very supportive and caring towards me. All the teachers, principals, and special educators made a positive difference in my life. I could achieve what I wanted to achieve because of them. Later, I joined an NGO and worked as a data entry operator for around a year. One of my greatest achievements during my internship was that I won Quizable competition along with my friend, Chaitanya Shivkumar. Presently, I'm working at Thomson Reuters. I'm doing internship at Thomson Reuters. And Throughout my journey, my family was a greatest support system. Thank you.
So sweet of you, Deepanshu. So nice to share this with us. We wish and pray that you achieve more and more in life. I'm so happy that you agreed to host this event with us.
Even I'm so happy, Priya ma'am. Let's move on to the show and introduce our first performer, Priyankar Ganguly. He is 12 years old. He is learning Hindustani classics. His hobbies are singing and painting. He is going to sing for us today. Please welcome this extremely talented boy with big round of applause. Priyanka, please come on screen.
Thank you. Re 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 ra 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 ra. Hey 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली है मसकली मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली है मसकली मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली मसकली मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली काला पंख चटक गई दूर अटक और लचक मचक के दूर भटक दूर डगर डगर कसबे कुचे नो कर बस्ती में ये कितनी समोर अदा से उड़ कर ले पूरी दिल की तमन्ना हवा से अदा से उड़ पुर 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 तुआ हिरा बना रे मसकली मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली मसकली मसकली उड़ मटकली मटकली तेरा सलोनी बादल की कॉलोनी दिखला देखेगा इन सबको जो उड़ना ना जाने 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 उड़ियो ना डरियो कड़पन पानी बड़पानी बड़पानी बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो करना दानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कड़पन पानी बड़पानी बड़पानी बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो करना दानी मस्तान ले के सन नन 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 हवा मस्तान ले तू जान ले के सन नन 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 हवा आ आ ए मसकली मसकली पुर मटकली मटकली ए मसकली 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 और मटक 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 रे 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 रा 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 हे 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 ओ तुझे क्या गम तेरा रिश्ता गगन की बांसुरी से है पवन की गुफ्तगू से है सूरज की रोशनी से है उड़ियो ना डरियो कड़पन पानी बड़पानी बड़पानी बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो करना दानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कड़पन पानी बड़पानी बड़पानी बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो करना kali, masa 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 kali, matak 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 matak. Ah 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 ah. ah. Re 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 ra 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 ra. Hey 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 hey. Oh. Re 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 ra 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 ra. Hey 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 hey. Oh. Yeah. Thank you.
Wow, very nice, Priyanka. Very nice.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, very nice, Priyanka. Now
Thank you.
let's welcome our
Thank you
next
so much.
performer, Vaibhav Das. Vaibhav is a smart and hardworking 22-year-old. He has won gold medal in calculations and can tell the day of any year if date and month and year is told. His hobbies are swimming, trekking, painting, listening to music, playing keyboard and guitar. Today, he's going to play the guitar for us. Please welcome Vaibhav.
Guitar.
फिर से बोलो कुछ.
Hello, my name is Vaibhav Das. We play Rakshak Amar on guitar. Thank you.
Amazing, Vaibhav. Stay blessed, darling. Amazing.
Thank you.
Rahul, you need to unmute yourself, beta.
Thanks, Vaibhav. Our next performer is Abhinav Sirsu. Abhinav is 12-year-old talented boy. He has participated in quiz competition and his hobby is to sing. Let's please welcome Abhinav.
Yes. Reading books of old, the legends and myths, Achilles at his court, Hercules at his gates, Spider-Man's control, Batman in his face. I'm a garden person and if listen, where do you wanna go?
How much you wanna risk? I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts. I'm superhero, so very genius, and something like can turn to somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Hey, रुकना. I'm reading books of old, the legends and myths, testament told, the lyrics of bliss. Superman and Notch, so free from Jesus. I look and can person and if it's teacher, where you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some very genius, and something like can turn to somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. 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 Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some very genius, and something like can turn to somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. 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 Yes.
Wow, I'm so glad that we found our own rock star. Excellent, Abhinav. Great job. Great.
Nice, Abhinav. Wonderful performance. Our next speaker is Chaitanya Shivkumar. Chaitanya is 21 years. He loves music, movies, and quizzes. His hobbies are to play cricket and draw. He has participated in many quiz competition and has won competition and quizabled with me. Let's see what he has to say.
Hi, I'm Chaitanya Shivkumar from Mumbai. I am 21 years old. I am in autism spectrum. Thanks to my parents and teachers, I have been able to complete my senior secondary exams from NIOS. Now I'm doing BA English. I'm also doing data entry with an NGO, and this keeps me engaged on daily basis. I love reading about cricket, trains, and movies. I like the latest fast-paced songs. On this World Autism Awareness Day, I request each one to support in whatever way possible to spread the message of autism. I am indeed grateful to the therapists, teachers, and all the people who have supported in my journey. One special thanks to my brother Pranav as well. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your interests and views, Chaitanya. May you have a great future ahead. Let's move on to our next performer, who is a cute little boy. His name is Prakrit Nagar. Prakrit is 7 years old. He loves music and likes to sing too. Today, he's going to sing Mother Nature's song for us.
There are flowers, there are bees, blue rivers and green trees. There are food is free and they buzz. When the touch of cool breeze falls on our tender skin, we know Mother Nature's calling out to us. Mother Nature, we care. Mother Nature, we share on the bounty of love that you give. We will keep our rivers and care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature, I promise we will keep. There are creatures big and small. Some can fly, some can crawl. With nature, we'll all live in peace. The humming bird, the trees are full of fish in the sea. The wonders each eye can see. Mother Nature, we care. Mother Nature, we share on the bounty of love that you give. We will keep our rivers and care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature, I promise we will keep. Mother Nature, we care. Mother Nature, we share on the bounty of love that you give. We will keep our rivers and care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature, I promise we will keep. Mother Nature, we care for you. Mother Nature, we care for.
That was so nice, Prakrit. We should really care of Mother Nature. Thank you so much, Prakrit.
Wow, Prakrit, what a nice song. It said there are creatures big and small, some can fly and some can crawl. With nature, they all live in peace. Isn't it true? Mother Nature has made all of us different. But we humans are yet to live peacefully with the differences. Let's hope to learn to live peacefully in spite of the differences. Now, let's move on to our next performer, Ayush Sanjay. Ayush is 16-year-old. He does cycling very well and plays keyboard with ease. He loves playing games on mobile. He also loves geography and science. His hobby is to listen to songs. He is going to play keyboard for us today. So please give a big round of applause for him.
Due to technical difficulties, we are not able to add Ayush Sanjay. So we have a small video of Ayush. Can we play that, Priyanka?
Thanks, Ayush. Our next performer is Siddhi Goyal. Siddhi is a fun-loving 12-year-old who loves to dance. Today, she's going to dance on Pallo Latke.
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Siddhi. And thank you, Rahul, for putting a wonderful show. I'm very happy that you have done so well. I request all the panelists to unmute themselves for a minute and give a big round of applause to Rahul and all the other participants who have participated until now. Let's do that, please. Can we unmute ourselves? Thank you, Rahul. Stay tuned for some wonderful performance, and there is a nice surprise at the end. So I wish that you'd stay till the end. It's time to introduce the second host of our show. Let's all welcome Rishabh Raj Bhatia. Rishabh is 23 years old and has completed his BCA. Currently, he is pursuing his MCA. He has won Best Student of the Year in 2017. He's exceptionally intelligent and a gadget freak. He can tell the configuration and color scheme of any computer by looking at it for 10 seconds. Now that's really great. He loves singing, traveling, and listening to music too. Needless to say, his intelligence is par excellence. Would you like to talk more about yourself, Rishabh?
Sure, Auntie. Hi, I'm Rishabh Raj Bhatia. I'm proud to say that I have autism because if there are no autistic people, the world would not have progressed further. You must have heard about Einstein, Newton, or Leonardo da Vinci. They all were autistic. If there were no Einstein, Newton, or Leonardo da Vinci, who would have discovered gravitational force, theory of relativity, etc., the world couldn't have reached the moon. People think that autistic people cannot do anything. They cannot feel or express themselves. Initially, it is difficult. But if it is worked on in our way, autistic people can do everything. Feel or express themselves. Here are one. It is high time that nature is trying to teach us. The nature is high time we should learn that nature is trying to teach us. The nature is giving us warning that people of all religion should coexist peacefully and in harmony with nature. When neurodiverse people can learn to coexist with neurotypical people, then why neurotypical people cannot learn to coexist with us? Time to think who is disabled. That is why it is said that we are different, not less. Thank you.
Well said, Rishabh. Thank you so much for sharing your views.
Thanks for this opportunity, Auntie. I'm pleased to be here. Everyone is performing immensely well. I'm immensely well. I'm eagerly waiting for the next performances too. So let's get back to our show. Please welcome our next performer, Isha Mitra. Isha Mitra is 16 years old who is pursuing a 10th standard from NIOS. She loves to travel and listen to music. She loves to do her things independently and is fond of dressing up. She is going to sing a song for us. Please welcome her.
इटी से हंसी इटी से खुशी इटा से टोकरा चांद का ख्वाबों के तीन को से चल बनाए आशिया इटी से हंसी इटी से खुशी इटा से टोकरा चांद का ख्वाबों के तीन को से चल बनाए आशिया दाबे दाबे पाँव से आए हाय हाय जिंदगी हो चढ़ा के हम तारे लगा के चल तराने चुपके चुपके गई आधी आधी बादलें आज दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा मेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तीन को से चल बनाए आशिया ना हो चार दीवारें फिर भी झरोखे खुली बादलों के ऊपर से साखी हरी पंखा चले ना हो कोई टकराए आई मस्ती तहा के चले प्यार के सीखों से महीने का खर्चा चले दाबे दाबे पाँव से आए हाय हाय जिंदगी हो तो भी चरा के हम ताजे लगा के चल तराने चुपके चुपके गए आधी आधी बादलें आज दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा मेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद इतनी सी हंसी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के दिन को से चल बनाए आशिया थैंक यू
Wow, very nice, Isha. Our next performer is Moneshwar Cheka. He is 15 years old. He has won gold medal in national level championship in first fist breaking in martial arts. He has won bronze medal in speed punches. He likes to watch movies and play games on mobile. He is going to play a piano for us today. So please put your hands together for Moneshwar.
Hello everyone, my name is Mareshwar. My name is Mareshwar. I play keyboard, movie Masoom, and Lakdi Ki Gati song. Okay.
Nicely done, Moreshwar. Very good. You were singing also, and I was singing along too. Very nice. You reminded all of. Thank you, dear. You reminded all of our childhood. Thank you so much, Moreshwar. Back to you, Rishabh.
Very nice, Moreshwar. Our next performer is Mayur Fatnani. Mayur is a smart 20-year-old who loves singing. He is going to sing for us today. Please welcome him with a big round of applause for him.
Everybody, I am song. I am Mayu. I will sing song. Shukera Sukewasi. Shukela Shukewasi. Gori Dhadu Ki Raja. Sankat Sankat Harana. Sankat Sankat Harana. Sukela Sukewasi Gori Dhadu Ki Raja. Sankat Sankat Harana. Baba Sankat Sankat Harana. तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया अंत वे अंत तेरी माया वो बोले बाबा अंत वे अंत तेरी माया ओ संकट संकट हरना संकट संकट हरना कैलाश के वसी गौरी तारू के राजा संकट संकट हरना कर संकट हरना दिल की बत्तियां भांग धतूरा बेल की बत्तियां भांग धतूरा के मन को लुभायो रे वो बोले बाबा शिव जी के मन को लुभायो रे संकट संकट हरना संकट संकट हरना कैलाश के वासी गौरी ढाड़ू के राजा संकट संकट हरना बाबा संकट संकट हरना एक का ढेरा ढेरा चंद ले लौटाना एक का ढेरा ढेरा चंद ले लौटाना दुजालाई बोला ओ बोले बाबा दुजालाई बोला संकट संकट हरना संकट संकट हरना बाबा संकट संकट हरना थैंक यू ओम नमः शिवाय
ओम नमः शिवाय मैंने रिहर्सल्स में भी आपको बोला था it was wonderful I love Shankar ji it became more clearer as since you sang it so nicely thanks Mayur
thank you Viera
Yes, it was so nice. Yes, Mayur, it was so nice. Very nice, Mayur. Let's move on to our next self-advocate, Rishikesh Vispute. Rishikesh is 22 years old and is pursuing diploma in fine arts with college affiliated to JJ School of Arts. He was felicitated at state and national level for his drawing skills. He He has also received gold medal in Kalavat National Art Contest 2019 in open category. His paintings are being displayed at art exhibitions and online platforms. Rishi is also learning keyboard and participated in various group performances along with neurotypical students. Let's hear what he has to say.
Hello everyone, I am Rishikesh Vispute. My passion is to become artist which I am pursuing diploma in finance. I love dancing, singing and playing the keyboard. I have autism, that's okay. Through hard work and consistency, I will definitely achieve my dream to become good artist.
Definitely, Rishikesh, with your talent, we all wish that you will achieve your dreams. Our next performer is Ansh Verma. Ansh is 25 years old. His hobbies are singing, cycling, swimming, and listening to music. He is going to sing for us today.
Due to again some technical difficulties, we are not able to add Ansh. So we have a small video of Ansh Verma. Can we play that?
Check this out, check the. खुदियाँ जाएंगी फिर वहाँ डाले नहीं सरगम मौसम आया छोड़ दे ठोकर मची तो कनक में बंदी कर जाए सरगम चक तेरे संग हम
Wow, very nice, Ansh. Our next performer is Rohan Patil. Rohan is 17 years old, talented teenager who loves dancing. His hobbies are to play piano and dance. He has won many competitions in dance and sports. He likes to choreograph his own dances. Now that's so interesting. Let's please welcome Rohan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan. It was amazing. Nice energy. Very nice. Isn't everyone doing wonderful? Please stay around till the end. As I promised, there is a surprise for you all. Okay, so let's move on to our next self-advocate. He's Sai Dasari. Sai is a 13-year-old talented teenager. He's an ex-student of Sunshine. As we all know, Sunshine is a special school for differently abled.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shantu Sai Swarup Dasari. I am 13 years old. I want to talk about my new school. I still remember my first day school. It was on 10th June 2019 and I was in a 6th standard. I was introduced to Hindi language as a subject. I was confused at the first, but with the Pratisha Patil ma'am help, I could read and write Hindi with easily. At the starting, I was very scared and I was teased too, but I ignored them. I tried to make a new friend. Nishan is my best friend. I failed in the first term exam, but I improved every time. All the teachers were very helpful to me. The day we went to the picnic was wonderful. I enjoyed with my friends and felt independently that day. I still remember my sunshine school where I gained so many memories of my friends and teachers. In that school, I have achieved a lot of awards and prizes. I have participated in many activities. Thank you, Sunshine. Enjoying my new school and time for the opportunity.
That was amazing, Sai. Sai had joined Sunshine in year 2013. He's one of the students who has been mainstream. His progress on all the development domains was far excellence, which led him to be mainstream. He had won the Best Student Year of the Award in Sunshine. He was very competitive and has, as we see in the AV, he has won many awards in singing and dancing. He could achieve this because of his parents, as he rightly said in the AV. His teachers also supported equally and contributed his growth to the beautiful journey from Sunshine School to Orchid. You have left me speechless, Sai. I have known Sai since 5 years now, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the maturity in his speech. May you enjoy every step of your life like this, Sai. And it was a pleasure to hear you. Rishabh, don't you think it was amazing?
Yes, Priyanti, everyone should be like him. We should learn from positives and ignore the negatives, just like our next performer, Arnav Srivastav. Arnav is 22 years old who loves singing, listening music, and can represent tunes effortlessly. He will sing for us today.
चल चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन की तली जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले ऐसे गगन की तली सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे चंदा की किरण से गुल कर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे कभी धूप मिले कभी छाँव गिले हम भी डगर न पले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजार गगन लहराए जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए सपनों में पली जहाँ थी गो गली जहाँ शाम सुहाने डले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसी गगन के तले थैंक यू
Thank you so much, Arnav. You were wonderful. Great job. Thank you.
Very nice, Arnav. Our next performer is Aditya Rao. Aditya is a talented 22-year-old with varied interests. Aditya has completed his HSC with distinction and has recently completed his diploma in multimedia course with Ames Media. He is a prolific swimmer and won several medals at Paralympics and district and state level Special Olympics. Bharat Aditya has also competed in 5K marathons. He enjoys music, yoga, and badminton. He is going to play for us today.
I'm Aditya Rao. I'm going to play Humko Man Ki Sitar Dena, a very inspirational song from the film Goody. Hope you all enjoyed my performance.
Nice, Aditya.
Thank you.
Thanks. Excellent, Aditya. It was great. It was great. Thank you. You were singing along too. It was a very nice effort. Very nice. Very nice. Thanks for being an excellent host, Rishabh. I request all the panelists to unmute themselves and please give a big round of applause to Rishabh and all the participants who have performed till now, please. Thank you so much. We have reached to the last singing performance of the show. It is last, but definitely not the least. It is also special and very close to my heart as it is performed by none other than Rishabh himself. Let's all welcome him.
हम तेरे दीवाने हैं, हम आशिक मस्ताने हैं, ये आशिक लुट जाने हैं, दिल सब दे टूट जाने हैं। झूठी झूठी बत्तियों वाली भोली सूरत दिल के दिल काले, ये आशिक लुट जाए हैं, दिल सब दे टूट जाए हैं, ये आशिक लुट जाए हैं, दिल सब दे टूट जाए हैं। जा कुड़िए जो कर ले पूरा बदन तेरा रंग दिया, ओए मुंडिया वादा रहा, सूली पे जो न तुझे तंग दिया, मैं सूली पे चढ़ जावा, तू बोल अभी मर जावा, मैं तुझसे डर जावा, दिल नाम तेरे कर जावा, याद रखना मेरा कहना कि दिल एक दिन मिल जाने हैं, हम तेरे दीवाने हैं, हम आशिक मस्ताने हैं, ये आशिक लुट जाने हैं, दिल सब दे टूट जाने हैं। Thank you.
That was fantastic, Rishabh, and mind-blowing expressions. Very nice. Stay blessed, dear. The last self-advocate for the evening is Jatin Patil. Jatin is 21 years old. His hobbies are to listen to music, read blogs, play car racing games on his mobile. He has won gold medal in national level painting competition at the age of 5 and has bagged many scholarships till date. He is a National Talent Search Scholarship holder. He is a Homi Baba gold medalist. He has stood first in India in KVPY scholarship PWD category. He has stood 16th in India in JEE advanced exam PWD category. At present, he is doing his masters in mathematics from IISER Pune. Especially to mention here, he's staying and traveling independently since last 5 years and is also managing his fees through scholarship. Let's hear what he has to say.
everyone. This is Jatin Suresh Patil, a proud autistic adult, trying to overcome all my issues. At present, I am doing my Masters in Mathematics at ISER Pune. I travel all alone. Have been living independent since 4 years in the hostel. I would like to add that I have also been managing all my expenses through my scholarship for the last 4 years. I have a wish to do PhD in mathematics. To this day, my obsession for cars is not gone, and I still play different racing games on my phone. I also like to listen to drum and bass, and I also like spending time with my sister. I'd like to conclude by saying that we people are not less, just different.
Rightly said, Jatin. This is applicable to most of us here. Actually, we are all different and definitely not less. Oh, okay. So one of the founder of Forum for Autism, Mrs. Babita Raja, is with us. I request Babita ma'am to say a few words.
What an evening it has been, Priya. I mean, what wonderful performances by all the children and the young adults. It's just been amazing to just watch each of them. I want to thank each of these children. Thank you so much. And thank you to all the parents who worked tirelessly with these children and got them ready to perform today. And as we come to the end of the program, I want to say thank you to a few people here. First to you, Priya, for actually bringing this event together, and for people like Shalini, Vipin, and Aditi, who have done so much to help Priya bring this show on board today. And last but not least, nothing small or big at Forum for Autism happens without Priyanka. So thank you, Priyanka, for all that you do and for who you are. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice evening, and do stay connected and watch the other programs that Forum for Autism has to offer throughout this month. Please stay connected and have a lovely evening and a lovely April, where we spread more awareness and acceptance for people with autism. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Babita ma'am. It was wonderful to hear you as always. We have reached almost to the end of the show. It was such a wonderful evening. I'm really blessed to be here to see all these wonderful children and the young adults. It was really amazing. My heartfelt gratitude to Babita ma'am and Paramita ma'am for giving me this opportunity. And thanks everyone for being such a cooperative audience. Now we'll have a small, we will have our Aditya to play a small national anthem. So I request everyone to stand for national anthem. All the panelists should stand, and all the attendees, I request them also to stand. Though you're not visible, please stand. Let's see what Aditya has to play. Aditya, can you please? Thank you so much, Aditya. It was wonderful. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Leena. Thank you, all the doctors who came here to support us. And thank you, FFA and Sunshine, to organize such a beautiful program. Thank you, all the parents and all the spectators who had, taken this time to see us. Thank you so much. Thank you.